Hi, today I want to show you how to use KlingAI video generator. As you have seen in the beginning, I created a small video clip using KlingAI, and this is the one. Basically, I used the reference images and I put in my faces here, two of my faces. I hope that will help a little bit more. And I also put a image of my jacket, and this is the DJ scenario, so background lighting and so on. And at the end, it just created this here. It's not too bad. It's mainly showing my face from the front. And at the end, I also added the sound effect using 11 Labs. If you want to see how to convert video to sound effect, you can watch my older video. Now I'm going to show you how I did that. So you can register for a free account. This is what I'm using, the free plan. And for the free plan, you can get credit monthly. Click on credit here. You can get 166 credits every month. And for our purpose, we only need 20 credits for video. So let's go to here. Check out this here video. And today we want to concentrate on elements. Basically, we can upload 4 images as reference. I've got some images already prepared. I've got 2 of my faces, and one is the woman here, and one is the costume for me. And what I have done is I put the image to Copilot and let the Copilot describe the costume. I want to add more details in the prompt. And this is the description for the lady costume. So let's try that. Now I upload the faces. I also let Copilot to refine my prompt. So this is my prompt here. And it's a little bit long. I shortened the costume description a little bit to make sure it's not too long. So I want the man is meeting the lady in front of a temple, and then description of the clothing, and at the end I just put a short description of the camera angles. So I leave it as 16 by 9, standard credit 20. Okay, let's click on it and hope it will be good. Okay, now it's saying 6 minutes, 3 minutes here. Okay, that's the result. It's not what I'm expecting. The action is a little bit strange here, so it's just, and even the clothing is not matching. The girl is wearing a longer top in the photo, so but the color is correct. And the camera movement is not what I want, but that's my fault. I think I need a better description. But my costume is correct, as you can see here, compared to this image. And the color of the lady's top is correct, but it's a little bit short. What I can do, I'm going to fix the camera angle and see whether we can get a better video. It's not too bad. At the moment, I still got 80 credit, so I can try a few more. And each one just cost me 20 credit. Okay, I just pause it and let me fix my prompt and see how it goes. Okay, this is the second attempt. I think this looks much better. You can see the entire costume of the girl. Now we can try to have a look here. Let me put up the image here. Yes, he has done a good job. Look, it's almost the same. And one thing I want to give you a tip. Make sure you got close up, otherwise there's a problem with rendering the face, because if it's a close-up image, then it look more like the image here. You can see the faces look very similar and it works really well. I think this one is really good, and you can see the costume is matching here. And my face is look like me. I'm quite happy with the result. You can go to KlingAI to get a free plan for trial. You will get free monthly credit. At the moment it's 166. That's enough for 8 videos. And I think that's good enough for experimental before you pay the subscription. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
回山的路是一条心灵的归途，他在这里找回了最初的自己。无论走得多远，总有一个地方让他心甘情愿放下所有，停留。